Hello students of 7th standard. We have started the lesson disaster management. Before this we have completed some points that are nothing but cloud burst, then again flood, what precautions we have to take during the thunderstorm. Then today we are going to see volcano. See, volcano is nothing but one of the, you can say, natural event, or it is one of the phenomenon. So it happens in the interior of the earth. Whenever you see interior of the earth, there are various, you can say, hot gases. These hot gases move always, and whenever they come at the surface of the, you can say, earth, they get, you can say, burst. As a result, sometimes the, you can say, solid, liquid and gaseous substances below the earth crust are pushed towards the, you can say, crust. When these substances come out of the earth's crust, it is an eruption, or you can say eruption, volcano takes place. This is nothing but a volcano. So what are the effects of the, you can say, volcano? You have to see the chemical substances such as lava, you can say vapor, hot mud or sulfur, all they get at the surface of the earth, or you can say, and thereby mountains and hills are created. The atmosphere gets polluted due to the ash and gases which are given out from the volcano. Often it rains whenever there is a, you can say, volcanic eruption. Temperature also rises because there is a, you can say, hot gases. Forest and settlements get buried under the, you can say, hot mud. Volcanic eruption in the sea happens. As it happens on the land, it also happens on the sea. There are some substances which are given out during the, you can say, eruption of the volcano, and same eruption, when it happens into the sea, the same substances are given. The islands are created due to the eruption of the volcanoes in the sea. Whenever you see there are islands in the seas, these are, you can say, results of the volcanoes. It is possible to prevent the, you can say, it is not possible to prevent the, you can say, eruption of the volcano. You have to stop it after it erupts, or to control it. It is not possible. However, by means of science and technology, it is possible to predict, or you can say eruptions has taken immediate steps to the disaster management. We can tell, or we can predict where the volcano is going to happen, but we cannot stop the volcano, or we cannot stop what is the disaster that is going to happen due to the volcano. Next comes tsunami. What is an earthquake? What will happen if the earthquake and volcano eruptions occurs at the bottom of the sea? You see, on the land, earthquakes, or you can say volcanic eruptions occur. Similarly, the earthquake occurs at the, you can say, bottom of the sea. That is nothing but a, you can say, tsunami. So what happens? There is a, you can say, tremendous energy inside the earth, and all this energy is given out, and what happens, given out of the land, and this pushes the water to the upper side. Whenever at the source there is a, you can say, less amount of energy, but as these waves move far away from the source of the energy, what happens, the waves, water waves, become bigger and bigger, and they may reach up to 30 meters of the size, and see, tremendously increases, and you can say destroys all the coastal area. Such a wave generated by the earthquake or volcano occurring on the ocean floor, that is called as a tsunami. Tsunami is nothing but a, you can say, Japanese word which is called harbor wave. Then see, destructive effects of the tsunami. Buildings and other constructions may be destroyed. There is, you can say, Large scale of loss of a life and financial loss is also there. Boats and ships which are near the coast, they also get damaged. Trees are uprooted. Landslide takes place on a very large scale. Changes takes place in the original land near the coast, giving, you can say, rise to the swamps. Traffic obstruction arises. The business industry related to the sea are adversely affected and normal day-to-day life is also disrupted. Then see, large scale damage is caused at the harbors. Next, see what is storm. So what gives rises to the storm, or you can say whenever, before that you have to take the precautionary measures. So when tsunami waves is formed due to the earthquake on the sea floor, it is necessary to take a immediate estimate and made of it a progress, and a warning of the danger is issued by the people in the coastal areas. Whenever there is a tsunami is going to happen, the people who are living at the coastal area, they get advice from the meteorological department, and for this purpose an artificial geostationary satellite is of a great use. Then see, try this. Regularly cut down the branches of the tree which are going to fall or which may cause the damage. You have to, if you are outside, take shelter in the, you can say, safer place. If you are away from the house, inform your close relatives and friends about your exact location. At home, shut the walls of the, you can say, gas regulators and turn off the electric supply. Make telephone calls to warn your relatives and friends and tell what is the danger about this storm. You have to tell them to go to the safer place. You have to give a temporary shelter to the people who are far away from their, you can say, homes. Then see, national institutes. United Nations has established one, you can say, standing international organization, that is nothing but UNDP, in 1965. About 177 nations have participated in this, you can say, organization. One of the main function of the organization is to send equipments, financial aid and also volunteers to the place of the disasters. In addition, international medical teams and groups of other experts are also sent. 13th October, International Day of, you can say, disaster reduction.